Hey guys, it's grilling season and I would love to share this recipe with you. This is stuffed flank steak, grilled to perfection, and the stuffing is to die for. Let me share it with you. It was a family favorite and it's super simple to follow all the steps. You're gonna start with one large onion. You're gonna cut it up just like so. This onion is about 500 grams. In a cast iron, you're gonna add 90 grams of unsalted butter. Add the onions and let them caramelize slowly. When they start to sweat a little bit, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can leave it out, but it's gonna help things caramelize quicker. This process is gonna take some time. You're gonna leave it on medium-low heat to caramelize slowly. This is gonna take about 30 to 40 minutes. 15 minutes later, it's starting to develop a little bit of color. Just like so, I'm gonna add 4 ounces of red wine, any good drinking wine. You can skip this step, but it's gonna intensify the flavor of the onion. I highly recommend it. And from now on, I'm gonna leave it on medium-low heat for another 30 minutes or until all the liquid disappears. I'm gonna let it caramelize, take its time, and I'm gonna work on the flank steak. But ultimately, this is what you're looking for, some perfectly caramelized onions. I'm gonna stop there, let it cool a little bit, add a touch of salt. For the flank steak, I have 2 pieces just like this one. Each one is about 300 grams. I'm gonna slice it. To make it even thinner, you can ask your butcher to do it for you or you can do it yourself. It's pretty easy. Just take your time and try to make it as even as possible. I'll tell you, this is gonna be worth it at the end and it's gonna last you for more than 1 day in the fridge. You're gonna cut into 2 equal pieces, so each flank steak will give you 2 rolls. I'm gonna simply stuff with the caramelized onions. Just like so, add a generous amount. And stay with me, I'm gonna show you how to do another filling. This one, I added the caramelized onions and 3 slices of Swiss cheese. Start rolling tightly, just like so. Onion soup flavors at its best. I'm gonna use a kitchen twine to tie the meat tightly. Just like so. Every 1 inch or as thick as you want the meat to be. When flank steak is cooked right, cut against the grain, it will taste amazing, especially with this kind of filling. I like to add a touch of fresh oregano on top of the onion and cheese for more flavor. You can leave it out if you don't like oregano. Repeat the process 2 more times. The 4th filling is gonna be some pepperoni and some mozzarella to change it up. Now you're gonna prep for the grill. Black pepper, salt, massage it well with a good olive oil. Now you're gonna cut in between the twine. 1 inch thickness is about right. You can cut it much thinner. It will cook much faster. It's totally up to you. And if you're liking my recipes and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and follow me on social media. I post different things all the time. The links are gonna be in the description box below. And don't forget to brush with a good generous amount of olive oil. I added about 3 to 4 tablespoons all over. And now I'm ready to grill. Grill on high, rotate as needed. It's gonna take about 6 minutes on each side, but keep on rotating. You don't want the cheese to burn. You want the meat temperature to be medium or medium rare for best results. Make sure to rotate on all sides and make sure to go by temperature, because if you cut them a little thinner, they'll cook much faster, of course. And even if you cook them a touch more, they'll still be juicy and tender from all the butter, onion, and cheese mixture. You'll love how these taste. I like to serve them with mashed potatoes, but you can do whatever you like. And I always leave all the amounts and all the ingredients and the preparation method in the description box as well, so check it out. And these heat beautifully in the oven the next day. You are gonna love them. Give them a try. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appetit!